I became interested in natural resources and natural resource management through a lot of my friends and through a lot of the experiences I've had, starting off like really young, just being in parks, and then as I matured, I got more intimate experiences. That just kind of kicked me off and sent me here, and wanted to further a career in this.
The Arthur Temple College of Forestry and Agriculture invites you to explore the world of conservation-based careers during their first annual Conservation Careers Camp. Held on the forested Stephen F. Austin State University campus in Nacogdoches, the Conservation Careers Camp provides high school students with a first-hand experience of what it's like to be a natural resources major, as well as insight into the diversity of career options the field offers. Explore the outdoors and learn alongside current undergraduate students, as well as leading professors in the fields of environmental science, forestry, and geospatial science. From wildlife management techniques and forest measurements to water quality monitoring and unmanned aerial craft operation, this 5-day camp centers around providing participants with engaging, rewarding, and exciting conservation experiences.
So I would really recommend going to a careers and conservation camp. At least it would really open the doors to actually knowing if you're interested in going into one of those degrees.
Join us and learn how you can turn your passion for conservation and the outdoors into a career.